What is going on, guys? This is Gene Jensen, and it's time for your 2-minute tackle tip. Now brought to you by DZ Truck Accessories. All right, so this one, I would call it secret, but it's just one that I don't talk about much, and I do quite a bit. But it's a really good tackle tip when you need to fish a lipless crankbait in the grass or even in the wood. Now I'm on this giant grass flat and it's submerged grass. Let's see if I can get down here and get some. When I say a lot of grass, this is all milfoil. There's just a ton of it. Okay, so that's what I'm fishing. How do I fish a lipless crankbait in this mess without getting it hung up? This is how. Take the back treble hook off. Go one size or even two sizes. I do a number 1 or a number 2/0, or no, number 1 or number 2 treble hook on the front and fish it just like that. The big hook helps you get the hookups, but I promise you, watch. I'm gonna cast out in the middle of all this mess. Watch this. Just comes right through it. Let it hit. I'm trying to tick the tops of it is what I'm trying to do. Boom. Just hit one. Rod tips up high. Boom. Boom. Look at this. Comes through nice and clean. Try that next time you want to fish something crazy in the grass or in the wood. Pretty cool. Well, like I always say, be sure to introduce somebody to fishing. Introduce them to my channel. Let me help you teach them how to fish. More importantly, get out of the water, go out and catch some fish, and have a great day. Check out the link in the description for DZ Truck Accessories. We'll see you.